Morning everyone, I'm here at the Red Lion in Winfrith, a pub with a campsite in its grounds, and I'm going to show you around. The Red Lion pub is a pub on the A352 Wareham Road and is situated conveniently between Swanage and Weymouth. In its grounds, it offers a campsite of I think about 20 or 25 pitches, and while this is an older view of the grounds, you can get a good idea of the size and layout. Its entrance is via an A road, so you don't need to worry about the drive in or access to the campsite itself. On arrival, you head in and speak to the team behind the bar, and they will give you your pitch number and tell you all you need to know. You can then enter through the main gate and head to your pitch. We are on the sand and gravel sites along here to our left. And while there was a bit of confusion over who should be on what pitch, we took the end pitch. This turned out to be totally wrong, but more on that in next week's video. As you have seen, you enter through the pub car park and through this big metal gate. The campsite is essentially this one field with a smaller area on the other side of this hedge on our right. The facilities are extremely basic and in all honesty could do with a rethink. The nicest toilet and showers are these two huts. In each hut has a toilet and a shower. Walking in from a sandy gravel area directly into where you want to shower is not ideal. Although the water was warm, the pressure wasn't that great. And the other side of the hut is a toilet with a wash basin, and that is pretty much the best of the facilities. There is another shower block on the opposite end of the pub, but this is very dated and old and could really use a lick of paint. I believe this is the only washing up area, and we're going to take a quick look inside. As you can see, functional but a little dated, and I do think it could use a spruce up. The camping field is relatively large, and with a few pitches they seem to have, they could perhaps invest in a stand-alone facilities block, but I can imagine this isn't cheap, and perhaps this site is suited for those that like it a bit more rough and ready. And that is probably one of the briefest campsite tours I have ever done, but before we go, let me share some thoughts from the campground itself. Okay, so herein ends our stay at the Red Lion pub Winfrith and the campsite that is attached to it. It's all right. I mean, the toilet facilities aren't great. There was lots of confusion over pitch bookings again, as I might have already mentioned, because somebody was on our pitch and told us they should have been on another pitch, so we went on their pitch and we were on the wrong pitch. But anyway, it's no problems. Everyone was getting along nicely. Oh my god, look at this caterpillar. He's lucky I didn't tread on him. So the pub, Service was horrendously slow. It took us, I don't know, 2 hours I think to get to have our whole meal. We were booked at 7:40 and I think we finished at sort of 9:45 or something. It took us an hour to get starters. They kept apologising and apologising, and I'm afraid my chicken burger was only just about lukewarm, but it's very bare bones. If you're happy to have those kind of toilets and you've got your own facilities, that's not a bad solution either. But don't think we'll come back. But if you've got your own facilities, or you don't mind having sort of not typical campsite shower blocks, then you'll be fine. But yeah, just think carefully about, give yourself plenty of time if you want to eat in the pub. So yeah, all done, all good. Apart from that, I really enjoyed it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you so much for tuning into Driving Horizons. We'll see you on the next adventure.